Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. We're halfway, well, a little bit halfway less um, through the week because tomorrow's actually the last day since Friday there's no school. And then we go ahead and continue our virtual learning next week on Monday after tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and start the way that we always do on our homepage for the website. Boys and girls, please make sure that you are using this website. This website is your agenda. This website tells you where to go, what to do for both myself and Miss Science. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Today is Wednesday, April 8th. So I am going to go to Wednesday's agenda. As you guys can see, it looks pretty similar to what it looked like yesterday. You have the link for the morning announcements. You guys may click after 8:25. You have blue team schedule. Red team, I promise that I am still working on yours. You will get that up and running. You have your reading checklist here. This one, both blue team and red team can go ahead and use. For today, it kind of stays the same yesterday, and then I'll specify if it's something for red team. Only red team will do it and it'll be highlighted in red, and then if blue team does it, it'll be highlighted in blue so that you guys know what you need to do, need to complete. So today you are going to complete your morning routine as usual. So you're going to go ahead and today you're going to submit your attendance by 9:30. Watch your morning videos made by your teachers, and then watch the morning announcements where the link is above. You're going to click here to watch the morning video, submit attendance. You are going to start with daily grammar, week 31, Wednesday. That has been assigned already to your Google Classroom. You have a book of knowledge, article 3, the whys of weather, rain, and then answer the following question in the box instead of typing 2 things you learned. What discoveries can you make when you look at something closely? And that is on ReadWorks. You're going to review the weekly vocabulary. So you're going to go ahead and click here because these are the 2 vocabulary words you're going to be focusing on today for your sentences. And if you want to watch all of the words, that's on Monday's video. So you could always just go back to Monday. And then here is just you click on it and you just get a list of all the words. So your vocabulary sentences, this is another assignment that needs to be turned in today. So far you should be turning in your daily grammar, your book of knowledge, which is on ReadWorks, and I do check who's done it. So by the end of today, you should have 3 articles completed. I have some of you that only have 1, so please make sure you catch up because today you should have 3 articles completed. So when I go in there, I should be able to see 3. Then you're going to review vocabulary. Your next assignment to turn in is your vocabulary sentences. That is a Google document that has been assigned to you already, like usual. Then I am going to be introducing the vocabulary strategy for antonyms. So you're just going to click on the link for the teacher video / lesson. We're going to review the reading skill, sequence text structure, click for the teacher video. You are going to go back to Connect Ed and you are going to read the story from the literature anthology, which is called A Drop of Water. This has been assigned to you, so you can either look for it on the left-hand side where all those assignments where it says to, if you go to do, that those little assignments are going to be there for you, or you can just go to the bubble with a book to access it on Connect Ed. And then here you're going to complete your sequence practice chart for A Drop of Water that has been assigned to you. You're basically just putting, there's a section, a specific section, and I believe it's the section about the water cycle in the text A Drop of Water that you are going to be using in order to fill out the chart. You're basically just putting the events that are on there already in order. I went ahead and I did number 1 for you, so you had an example of what to do. Do not forget to type in your name. That has been assigned to you on Google Classroom. And then the last thing you're going to be answering is the hot question. And I'll go ahead and I'll change it here. I repeated the number, I'm not sure why. But then you're going to go ahead and once you finish reading A Drop of Water and you finish your sequence practice chart, you're going to answer the hot questions. There's 2 of them for the text, okay? And then that should be it for today. So when you're done, or when you think you're done, go to your reading checklist, okay? So did you finish your daily grammar for Wednesday? Did you do your book of knowledge, The Whys of Weather, Rain? Did you do your vocabulary sentences for magnify and microscope? Did you do today's hot questions 1 and 2 for A Drop of Water after reading A Drop of Water? Did you complete your sequence practice chart for A Drop of Water? And did you watch all of today's videos and lessons? And if you guys want to go ahead and make this bigger, you can always just click here and it'll go ahead and take you to a different tab where you can go ahead and, if you can print it, or you can have it open just to use kind of as a checklist and refer to the assignments that you guys are finishing. Okay, so that is it. All the links that you need are going to be here, so you can just go ahead and click on them. When you are done, blue team, especially blue team, make sure that you guys are, today is Wednesday, so there's not going to be any STEM for you guys today, but go ahead and start right away with reading, and then you're going to go ahead and do your PE. Don't forget to do those PE assignments on your Google Classroom. Then you know that you have math, okay? Around 12:30 should be your lunch break, more or less. It doesn't have to be exactly at that time because it depends on what time you finish your assignments, and that includes the videos and the lessons, okay? Take a short little recess break. Then you have nothing assigned for technology for reading. I'm not sure for math or science, but you have nothing assigned for technology for my class. And then for STEM, whatever STEM project Miss Science needs you to work on, because this is your afternoon STEM and this is your afternoon technology. For my class, you don't have any STEM. Okay, so that'll be your schedule for today. Please make sure you refer to it, and if you need it, it can also be opened in a different tab for you guys to go ahead and take a look at it on a bigger scale. Okay, so if you guys need any help, you know where to find me. I will be on Google Hangouts, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And that's pretty much it, guys. That'll be it for your Wednesday, and then you'll have Thursday, and you will be done for the week. Have a great Wednesday. Love you guys. Miss you all.